Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about some creative indoor plant room decor ideas. Indoor plants not only add natural beauty to your space but also have numerous benefits like improving air quality, reducing stress and boosting productivity. So let's get started. Hanging plants. Hanging plants are a great way to add a natural touch to your decor while saving space. You can hang plants like spider plants, photos, and phones from the ceiling or a wall. Hanging plants add dimension and texture to your room, and they are easy to care for. Second, plant shelf. A plant shelf is a great way to display your plants while creating a unique focal point in your room. You can create a plant shelf by using wooden planks, metal brackets, or even repurposing an old ladder. You can arrange your plant on the shelf in different sizes and height to create a visually appealing display. Third, terrariums. Terrariums are a unique way to display your plant and add a touch of green to your decor. You can create a terrarium by using a glass container and planting small plants like succulents, moss, or air plants. Terrarium are low maintenance and add a modern touch to your decor. Number 4, statement plants. A statement plant is a large plant that adds a dramatic effect to your decor. Plants like fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, and bird of paradise are great statement plants that add height and dimension to your room. You can place your statement plant in a corner or near a window to make it the focal point of your room. Number 5 is plant wall art. Plant wall art is a creative way to add a natural touch to your decor. You can create a plant wall art piece with just a wooden frame, chicken wire, and some moss or succulents. You can check the chicken wire to the frame and add your plants by replacing them through the holes in the wire. Once your wall art piece is complete, you can hang it on the wall and enjoy a unique piece of decor. A plant is a great way to display your and create a unique focal point in your home decor. You can create a plant terrarium with just a glass container, pebbles, potting soil, and your favorite plants. You can layer the pebbles and soil in the container and then add your plants. You can create a miniature garden inside the container and enjoy a beautiful display of your plants. The conclusion. So, those are some creative indoor plant room decor ideas. Adding indoor plant to your room not only improves the aesthetics but also provide various health benefits. We hope you found these ideas helpful. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.